Alright, in this video we are going to execute a layered bob. So the very first thing we need to do when we layer a bob is we've actually got to cut the bob first. So as you can see, I'm executing the outline first. I've taken a center section down the center of the back of the head from top to bottom, and then two A-line sections from right to left. Right there, I just took another A-line section, but I took two A-line sections to comb the hair down to establish that first section, which is the guide for the rest of the outline. Now, what I'm going to do from here is continue to take A-line section, like I just did right there, working my way up the head, combing the hair straight down, and whatever hangs over the previous section, that previous section is my guide to know where to cut my current section. And once I have completed cutting all of the hair, combing it down, I will have established my bob. After that, I'll be able to layer it. So you can see right here, I'm now just establishing the outside, I should say the outline on the left-hand side, and now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the right side. So again, taking another A-line section, combing the hair straight down, looking at the length underneath the current section I'm cutting to know where my guide is, and then cutting the hair at that guide. So I'm going to continue working the outline for the right side, and once I'm done, we'll go ahead and cut in the layers. It is now time to cut in the layers. The bob has officially been completed. The bob is now cut in. We've established the outline. As you can see, I'm taking a center section in the middle back, combing it straight back, and then cutting in my layers. Now, I'm taking another section to the right of the center section, combing that straight back, using the previous section, which was the first section of the layering, as my guide to continue doing all of the layers on the right side. Once I've got the layering on the right side complete, I will do the exact same thing on the left side so that I can establish the layering on the left side. So now it is time to do the layers on the left side. As you can see, I take a section, I over-direct it back, I use the previous section as the guide. In this particular case, the previous section was the very first section in the center back, but then from there on forward, I'm over-directing each and every section after that to the previous section to establish my layers on the left side. Okay, now I'm just cleaning up the outline. As you can see, we've already got the hair dry, and I'm going through and just establishing a nice clean outline. Here, I'm cutting in the bangs, and here, we've officially come to the end of the haircut. So, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I want to thank you so very much again for watching.